Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this limited edition 208 with the black pack styling. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels. You get the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. There's also air conditioning, cruise control, and the car's done under 7,500 miles. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.